Yo guys, welcome back to the video. So it is another Halo unboxing. So let me just chuck everything onto the desk like normal. That's what we do most of the time. So here we go. It's all up here. Joking. One more big box. There we go. Alright, let's get this all opened. Alright, the first package. Let's get this opened. Get my knife out. Stab the desk. Fix it up a little bit. And we will see what is in here. It is a blind bag. Pretty nice. It's a Series 8. I think it's Bravo blind bag. I have no idea. I can't remember. But yeah, very nice. I collected a few of these back in the day. It's got the name of what it is in there. So it's a purple Spartan. I don't think that's very rare. But yeah, it's pretty cool to have a sealed blind bag. Got a few of these now. So it's pretty nice to add to the collection. But put that to the side and we will pull over the next box. Now I probably could have just taken the rubber bands off, but a bit of an idiot, so I decided to cut it instead and then take this band off. There's zero logic there, but that's how it was done. So this is one of these one of 3 sets that Bloks put out. They're pretty interesting. I know some people have the full collections. I just got this one. I thought it was pretty cool to have. It's brand new, sealed, very nice. It's always good to see some of this old Bloks stuff still sealed. It's pretty cool to add to the collection. Okay, the next package, let's see what's inside. Let's get this external packaging opened. Here we go. We're struggling with the package. There we go. Alright, let's see what's inside. We have more bubble wrap. That's amazing. Okay, let's see what's inside here then. Come on, pull it out. And it is a Banshee. The Covenant Banshee with this not entirely sure what colour that is. It's like a weird purple copper type colour. Pretty interesting. It's a very nice looking set. I like the art design. It's pretty cool. Reminds me of Halo Combat Evolved. For some reason, I'm guessing that's because it's in the authentic series. Even though it's Halo Wars, but it does look pretty similar to Combat Evolved, which is very nice because it is the same timeline. I'm pretty sure, or sort of around the same timeline from what I'm aware. But yep, very nice set. You can see all the old sets down here as well. Pretty cool. That Wraith is nice. I think I had 3 of them sets there. I had the Pelican, the Wraith, and the Snow Warthog. It's pretty cool. So that is that. Alright, we have the final package. Hope you guys enjoy watching me struggle to open this thing with one hand whilst recording. I seriously need to get a tripod, but yeah, let's get this thing open. Now the main thing in this set, the red hornet. Very nice hornet. Very good. You've also got 2 red warthogs. One of them needs to be repaired a bit. I'll just do that after the video ends. Sure it won't be that difficult. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And I will see you lot in the next one. Take care.